Here's IQ demo. I just opened IQ option demo account, and here I'm just configuring it the way I like it. Shut the sound off, shut all these whatever the things, choosing the candlestick with a 30 seconds with a Bollinger Band. That's what I like. I don't like any other stuff. Now I start from the $500, 50% of the deposit to begin with, to get a nice, head start. And once I open this financial chart with a candlestick, it already looks good. So I immediately placed this $500 call position, and it looks good. So it's very spontaneous and it's an improvisation. That's how it works. You look at the financial chart, candlestick chart, and you decide where to go. Either do something, do nothing, or do little thing. So this is do something. It's 50% of my initial deposit. Already won $435 in the first 1 minute. I continually going up because it's close to the top Bollinger Band, and all the past candlesticks is promising that it's still upward moment, bullish, for at least next 30 seconds where I place my position. So you see some resistance discourages you, maybe you lost, but don't worry, it will result winning here. See, it's already winning, and what I'm doing right here is just get a good head start. So I have earned already $870 here. Now from here is very different. As you see, I reduced my trading amount to only $1 because I don't know where it's gonna go. It's reversed or it's gonna continually growing. See, and I placed up and down both, call and put. It doesn't matter which way it goes. You only lose 13 cents doing this. Now it's clearly, you can look, it's going down. So this is not really a trade I'm doing. I'm just checking it around, participating on it without losing any money. 13 cents per trade I'm losing doing this, but who cares, right? It's still going down. The whole point of this binary option, looking at this financial chart or a candlestick chart, is that there's only basically 3 options: undecided, following the original direction, or reversed. And that's the very crucial determination. You have to find it out. But how to find it out, sometimes you have to be patient, and this is what I'm doing, only placing a $1 per trade for both at the same time, both call and put at the same time. The benefit of doing this is that you are following the chart every second. instead of just looking at chart and trying to find the signals. I'm doing this is the third time, because this IQ option platform has some strange feature that if you go to trade right after the previous trade, either lost or won, they place your trading position right before 60 seconds. And that's what I'm using, because their deadline is 30 seconds before the expiry. It's their method, and if I want to use their platform, I have to follow their method. And of course, if it is closer to the expiry time and I know the movement, it's easier to predict what's going to happen in the next 30 seconds. Okay, and there are many uninteresting chart, especially around the middle Bollinger Band. You see this yellow Bollinger Band. Around here, it just goes up and down forever. I mean, forever is more than 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 20 minutes. There's really no point of trading around these kind of movements, because you can either lose or win at any time. Now, so I'm just placing that $1 trading around these movements, just to be in touch of what's going on. Now it's going down pretty good, so I can place a big amount, but I already placed much earlier time down and up both. So this one I just see it off. It was a good signal to trade much higher amount, but I missed that chance, so just let it go. I'm not losing any money anyway. So next one, I try 100. It still looks like a strong downward trend. Now it looks like it's reversed. So I have to see and wait and see. I placed the up call here, and it seems to be working at this time. I placed $100 trade, so it's a little bigger than $1 trade. So hope to win, and I think it's working. Another 10 seconds for the verdict. And okay, here we go. I won this one. So now I have $1,958.22. Not bad for how long I've been playing, from 14:15 to 14:21, only 6 minutes. I placed another upper call trade right after, because I thought it was a strong reversal going up. So we'll see what happens. Another 30 seconds here. But I changed to $1 because I was not sure it's worth trading hundreds of dollars here. So this is a strategy I use. If I'm not sure, I just trade $1. If I'm sure, I trade 500 or even 1,000 at a time. So this one I won anyway. It's a cute win. Now the next one, again I place the $1 to upwards to just see where it goes. It looks okay. Win or lose, it doesn't matter. It's only $1 trade based on almost $2,000 balance. It looks like I won again. It's on the 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I placed the up and down, so I lost actually 13 cents. I'm still doing the same thing, up and down. I place at the same time for both call and put for $1. So it's a $2 investment, and you can't lose more than 13 cents. So no harm done. But the point I'm doing this is to just be in touch with this candlestick movements, moment to moment. If I'm just looking at it, maybe I'm gonna lose some important signals. So this one, I didn't win anything, and I lost 13 cents. No big deal. Now it starts looking good going downwards. So I may trade a little bigger amount for this promising downwards put or bearish movement. So I placed the put trade here for $100 now, and it looks good now. We'll see how it ends up. Okay, there's a resistance. I don't know, it's a reversal or resistance at this moment. Okay, it looks like a reversal has taken place. So I've lost this one. My $100 trade was lost, but it's okay. It will help where to go the next one. I still maintain the $100 here. This is right by the middle yellow Bollinger Band. That means there's a resistance, a lot of resistance for candlesticks to go up. So it's gonna go down. I don't know how strong it's gonna bounce back from the middle Bollinger Band. Maybe it's gonna penetrate to upwards. This upwards motion, I still have to see how strong it is. I'm not interested in this one, so I go for the new position for 300 now. Okay, now this Bollinger Band, yellow Bollinger, middle Bollinger Band works for either to go up or go down resistance. But I took my chance. This will work for going upwards for the call. So I placed 300, recover the last some little loss for 100, and it's working right now. The candlestick is going up and another 16 seconds, and I'm pretty sure I won this, no doubt. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I won. Now it exceeded the $2,000. What I'm gonna do now? Now I'm not sure where it's going. So I come down to $1 per trade. No harm will be done. I place up and down. These are the kind of boring stage in these binary options. They just goes up and down every seconds, and you know what's gonna happen in the next 30 seconds or 60 seconds. So don't place any big amount of trade. It's not worth, because you don't know what's gonna happen. No one knows what's gonna happen in the next 30 seconds. So I just lost 13 cents. No big deal, right? I'm still probably continuing doing this because this is just a little candlestick going up and down. I see a little bit promising upward motion right here. So I placed another 1,000, not $1, 1,000 call right here. I have no way to, no point of no I'm in the point of no return. No matter what happens, I placed $1,000 trade because I thought it's gonna going up, and we'll see the verdict. Okay, the last moment I won. Okay, so you know, this is kind of thing you can keep doing, going back and forth. You know, sometimes you trade only $1, and sometimes you only trade just 1,000 or 500 or 300.